Hey folks, hey, hold on, let me make sure I'm in, yep. So, she's home, about to put on the dollies. Hopefully sometime this week, I'll start her up. We gotta get a knock sensor. Hopefully that stops the surging. We got the fuse for the alternator. Matter of fact, I can't forget this right here. Just gotta go back. How the hell? Oh. Take that back to Adam tomorrow. But yeah, alternator fuse is here. It's already installed. I'm just gonna wait for the knock sensor. Hopefully that stops the surging. If not, I gotta find where that vacuum leak is coming from and figure out what the hell this plug goes to. There's a lot of work still to figure out, and found out that my valve cover wasn't installed properly, so now we have a leak up there. It's not bad, but we got a leak. Other than that, it's home, and once we get the surge figured out, we start on the body. As you guys saw in the previous video, the bumper took a nice licking.
Here it is, me once again. What's going on? I'm gonna be doing some shooting later on this week, and hopefully you guys will see a video on that. That's been a thing lately. So let me know what you guys want to see more of, so I know not necessarily how to please the audience, but how to keep you guys coming back to the videos. Views have been dropping off, views have been picking up. It's weird. You guys like some pretty weird stuff, I'm not gonna lie. But that's just what we do. Some pretty weird stuff. Do I need to move?
Talking about weird stuff.
No, I just like how do I put it? Like,
I don't do that shit.
no, I know you don't. You gotta stop cussing, man.
Hey, just so y'all know, if you have wheel dollies or any kind of dolly or workbench and the wheels don't have locks, put a vice grip on it. It'll stop it from moving. Just look, if you didn't know. One, two, three. It's like this shit got brakes on.
Oh, hold on. This might help.
Come up here, let's try it again.
Here.
I don't get it. Why won't it move?
Because it's not Harbor Freight dollies.
Yeah. So y'all hear that?
Harbor Freight is the way to go. Lifetime warranty.
This shit's not on tool. Don't cut it. I don't think that cardboard is stopping it. We got room. So these are the latches for the gabagool. Yep, moonroof that's not here. As you can see, you know. So what had happened was,
You sure it's not camo?
it wasn't latched in on the way here. And coming down the highway, going speedy, it started flapping. Okay? Snap these off, flew off the car. The G35 was behind it, and I'm gonna show you what happened to the G35 hood. If you can see here, a couple rock chips. That's where the moonroof hit there, and ended up
All up in here.
all those shards. All right, there are a couple out there, mostly on eBay.
That's where the 5 comes in. 5,000.
Well, actually, they only want $639 for it.
$639.
Shipped. Not a bad deal, but that's secondary right now because the car's inside. So we can go ahead and finish everything else, and hopefully they're still available. I can get them. So that's the big cost right now. Everything else is just minor, tedious. You know, first we got to do that surge, get it out of the way. Once that surge is gone, I can, you know, on the weekends, put the car outside, start it up, let it, you know, build some time, some wear on the engine. Then I got to get the exhaust mocked up. I already got the muffler itself in place. So now we just got to get the exhaust mocked up from turbo back there. That is going to take a while because I would like to get a dock race manifold.
A what?
Dock race manifold.
I'm gonna go ahead and take like Google image right here, and then you can point next to my hand like, hey, that's what that. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So yeah. Just so you, the price, you know, it's like a truck payment today.
How much?
About $1,200.
See, there's a couple parts that my Z is missing, like some wheels.
Up here versus back here. Dock race will put you up here instead of here, next to this. I gotta relocate ignition coil, get it up here out of the way. I'm gonna be hitting up GK Tech for a lot. Brake booster delete. Because now the brakes work. When you tap them, they suck to the floor and then come back up on their own.
I'm sorry?
Yeah, because we got 300Z brakes on there, 4 pistons. You're supposed to run a 300Z brake booster, and I'm not.
Question.
So it just, and then it comes back up on its own.
Question.
Yeah.
So I may sound a little stupid, all right, but I don't know much about Nissans. Unfortunately, I don't own one. Can you relocate the brake booster?
No, there's a brake booster delete that Chase Bays, GK Tech sells and brings this directly there. Eliminates this.
No more big circle?
Nope.
Dang, man.
Which will work with my manifold now if I do that, because the turbo can sit right here. We just got to relocate this. But I really want a dock race manifold because they're pretty. They're nice. They worth the money.
Have you told this to your accountant?
My accountant will not find out till it shows up.
My friend got it for me. My friend gave it to me. I didn't buy it. My friend gave it to me.
Okay, so other than that, man, y'all heard the car. Apart from surgeon, she's purring like more roaring.
Roaring.
Yeah.
She's coughing.
Yeah, that's where we are. So it's in the garage. We got a lot of work to do. All this stuff is for the G35. That spare. That's pretty much. We still got some organizing to do in here. It's not all done.
But hey guys, I know you missed this. This is the guy right here. Yeah, you missed him. I know you have. This guy, he's making a comeback.
You know this video is already at 13 minutes, right?
I know what it's at, but because you got me here, That's no more stress on you. That's stress on me. All right, I can deal with this. Right, I'm gonna have the camera completely zoomed in on my face. You guys are gonna love it.
Oh, so just so you guys know,
Hello.
we're going from 3 videos a week to 2.
2.
The cars are home. I work 10 hours a day.
I work 10 hours a day.
We got 300 times 100 is what? We got 3,000 square feet to maintain. It's all grass.
I got a Honda.
You stop. Stop. Your Honda needs a damn belt. Yeah, it won't rear wheel drive anymore this afternoon. It was 2 feet drive.
2 feet, right?
Yeah, by 2 feet pushing that motherfucker. Yeah, the belt. It needs a belt. I checked it. It needs a belt.
Okay.
So we're gonna do 2 videos a week. So I'm thinking Tuesday and probably Friday we drop videos. Okay. So you guys are aware. Starting this week. That's what we got. Got a yard to do. Got a regular job. So a couple hours a night. So we can edit. Get out to you guys. But you'll be getting more satisfying content. We're gonna go back to body work a lot more. We got 2 new bumpers that'll be coming up in the works. I'm not gonna tell y'all what they are, but I'm sure y'all be pleased. So.
Oh, and
Am I even in?
actually, no, I don't even know, man. I'm sorry. You are
Okay.
Master Tech.
What did he say?
I'll explain that joke later. Anyways, on other news, I don't know if you guys I don't know if we ever posted it, the video for us making the paint for the Celica.
Yeah, we did.
We did? Alright, so we found it. It was lost, but now it's found. Reminds me of a good song. You know what song? Anyways, we got the paint and we gotta go drive to get it. But we found it. It's in good hands. No State Farm. Anyways,
That's all state.
you know what? What are those black guys? I wasn't supposed to say that, was I?
Anyway, if you guys are watching, you don't know, that's the Antigua flag in the Caribbean.
Yep.
And that one is the Virgin Islands flag.
See, it says VI.
Everybody knows a U.S. flag and an Army flag.
America. Anyway.
Hey, anyway, like I said, we're still not done in here. We're gonna make more storage for stuff. I gotta get out of the shed, make sure we got all the tools that we need for what we're doing with bodywork, plastic welding, and that's pretty much it for this video. But just want to tell y'all, videos are dropping to 2 videos a week. Get y'all, the video's gonna be longer, but you're gonna get more meaningful content. So, back to the old grind. Get off work at 6, push till 1 o'clock in the morning.
Okay.
Yep. So, that's pretty much all I got. Appreciate y'all watching.
That's all we got, man.
And, you know, let y'all know. That's us.
Should I close it so it looks more cool? And
Nah.
we got more light going on it? Because we got these nice we got these nice lights. I don't know if you can see them. I should probably zoom in. So anyways, enough of my silliness. I'm actually pretty excited that we're back on this grind again. I've been itching to do some work, especially body work. You guys know how I am. But we're going back to basics. No, not basics. But we're going I guess we're going home. That's what we're doing. We're going home. That's the name of this video. Am I black? Is that what we're doing?
You're a little dark there for a minute.
I'm a little dark.
We got 21 minutes, man.
Man, you're gonna love that last video.
Oh my gosh.
But yeah, I'm so excited for